Hello everybody, this is Isaac from IWM. Hope you're doing good. Today I want to talk about arranging. And we're gonna use a song that I'm working on right now for an artist in Sweden. And we want to practice how to arrange a song within those few instruments that we have at this moment. So we want to make sure that every instrument has its own place. So in total, it gets full, it gets exciting. But on when you solo the instruments, they may use something called pauses. And yeah, we're gonna see what we can find and how to make it very interesting when it comes to arranging. Okay, so let's dive in. Here we have the track, and we're gonna take a short listen. Okay, so as you can hear, there's a couple of things going on. There's a couple of instruments and they use different frequency spectrum and they use different timing and places where they have decided to play. So we're gonna see what we have here. First of all, we have this bass drum. Okay, so it's not very many notes, but there's a few of them. Then we have the snare, which has only one, as you can see here, is only one note at the end. So it's like a forever pause, and then finally it will hit the snare drum. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, and in the end okay, that's where the hit comes. And also we have a Wurlitzer. So this one is really just playing the dotted notes. It's very simple, but all the instruments have different types of percussion and different types of timing. And also, we have this one. That plays 16 notes. And also we have this quarter notes. And the same timing as the Wurlitzer. So everything combined really makes everything fit, and it makes it exciting and it makes it full. When you solo the instruments, they can have a forever pause. So this is how it sounds like together, in total. We have also the clap, sorry. The clap comes in every, the second bar and the fourth bar. So it sounds like this. Sorry. Daga 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 dunga dong. 1, 2, 3. So again, we're gonna try to listen to everything in total. Okay, so that's how you can really build an interesting arrangement. Every instrument has its own place and also has its own frequency spectrum that we're going to talk about more in another video. Sorry. So let's be very careful when dividing the instruments up and let the total speak for itself. That was all for today. So if you like what I do, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.